download Microsoft Teams from Play Store. This type of page will appear where you have to enter email ID. You don't have to create a new one. Kindly enter the ID provided by the school. Now enter the password provided by school. This is the one-time password. Now enter the previous password plus create a new one. Now click on calendar in order to see the scheduled meeting and then click on join to attend the class. After joining the class, you will see this type of page. Left side corner in the bottom is for video, next to it is for audio, and third option is for speaker. In order to enlarge the teacher's video, long press on the teacher's screen, options will appear, then click on pin. As the teacher says that the class is over, click on the red button to leave the class. Watch the video again in order to understand it better. Congratulations, dear parents, you have successfully learned to use MS Teams.